In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate your course once you've logged on to the Haiku Learning Management System. The best way to think about navigating your course is to go from left to right, from top to bottom. Starting here on the left-hand side, you will see all of the lessons associated with the course that you are enrolled in. Sometimes there will be an orange light on, which means that the course is visible and that you can work in that part, and sometimes these will show up as gray, which means that they're not published and you can't work in that section. So this is the first place you want to go. I've clicked on lesson 1 so you can see what a lesson looks like. As you move on over to the right, you're going to see that you have this main area where there are courses or there are assignments and different things to do within the course. And then on the right-hand side, this is probably the most important place to pay attention to on every single lesson. You're going to see this open forum for discussion. That is somewhere you want to go to daily. And what happens in that discussion are several things. One of the things that can happen in the open forum for discussion is that the teacher may post something for people to be thinking about. So, for example, the teacher may post a reflection or something for you to talk about. Another thing that might happen in the discussion is you may post some sort of assessment or some sort of comments on your peers' learning in the course. The third thing that typically happens in the open forum for discussion is that people go in there and they ask questions of their classmates that their classmates can answer for them. For example, there was a section one time where people were having trouble using one of the tools, and somebody went into the open forum, started a new thread, and just asked how to use it, and they were immediately given comments from their classmates on how to do so. So again, that's moving from left, what lesson you want to be on, over to the right to the open forum for discussion. The next thing you want to do is work your way from top to bottom. If there are any important announcements, they will be here at the top of the course. Each lesson always has a video that you should watch first. It's a short video from your facilitator that will tell you kind of what's coming up in the lesson, link it to your previous learning, and kind of get you setting the stage for what's going to happen. As you scroll down, you'll always see a Gantt chart, which this is your suggested pace for when you should be doing the different things that are involved in the lesson. So for example, here, 1B needs to be done on September 23rd, 1C should be done on September 24th and 25th, and this allows you to figure out how to pace yourself as you go through the course. We always place the goals for the lesson right up front as well, so you know what it is that you're supposed to be getting out of the lesson. And then as you scroll down, you may see something like this is a team building activity or more of a community building so that people can kind of see where everybody in the course is. If you click on these drop pins, you'll see where somebody from the course is and what they say about the course. There's another activity that's a community builder. And then you get down into the course assignments. So you may have things like reading articles, you may be participating in a synchronous component, which is like a Google Hangout, etc. So again, navigating the course is relatively, I would call it relatively intuitive. You just go from left, picking out what lesson you want to work on, over to the right, over to your discussion forum, and then going from top to bottom. I hope this video was helpful in helping you figure out how to navigate your course.